Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Chase Bank. The first thing I want you to do is just log in to Chase Bank. Come to the top, click on a Pay and a Transfer tab. Then what I want you to do from here, click on a Transfer to transfer between your accounts. And now you choose what account you're transferring from. So you can pick, let's say, my checking account. Here you can choose another account you're transferring to. Of course, you can choose an external account. And go ahead and select that from the From section. Enter the amount that you want to transfer, okay? And then just proceed to select the frequency, okay? You can do one to transfer immediately. You can schedule a transfer. You can do recurring payments, pay once. Then once you're happy with it, you come here, tap on Next. And then here you just review your transfer details. You come here, hit Transfer, okay? And then you'll see a confirmation message. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.